In Mexico, a caravan of migrants is slowly moving north, hoping to claim asylum when they finally reach the US border. But now, if they don't cross at official border entry points, they could be swiftly turned away without consideration of their asylum claims. Exceptions will still be made if there's evidence of torture or other extreme cases.
I just signed the proclamation on asylum, very important. People can come in, but they have to come in through the ports of entry, and that to me is a very important thing.
Outside the gates of the White House, a group of immigrants from Central America is calling for a new law to end threats to their temporary legal status. The Trump administration argues that the US asylum system is simply overwhelmed and argues that it prevents legitimate claims from being processed quickly. A former asylum claimant and now a national political leader for Latinos, Yanira Merino, says this new presidential proclamation is itself illegal.
It goes against what is the established law in the United States. The established law in the United States tells you that an asylum seeker doesn't necessarily have to come through a recognized or authorized port of entry. They can come, they can be here, and at any point they can ask.
The Trump administration says the law empowers the president to bar entry to foreigners deemed detrimental to the interests of the United States. The American Civil Liberties Union has now filed a case to block the order and challenge its legality at a federal court in San Francisco. Daniel Ryntjes, CGTN, Washington.